Morning, bros. So we out in Mal.
Day 2, birds. Day 2. Sorry, bros.
Bros.
I am
Yeah.
new to the.
So it's day 2 right now. আমাদের সকালে ব্রেকফাস্ট হয়ে গেছে। Now আমরা সব রেডি হয়ে এখন বেরিয়েছি। নট শিওর কোথায় যাচ্ছি বা কী করবো, বাট we are walking and how's the Josh, man? What do you
Yeah, I actually have no idea what we're going to do right now. I think everybody's figuring out, but we'll find out slowly in about 55 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
We're just walking into
We're
nothing.
just walking. I mean, it's better than nothing.
Yeah,
We
it
were
is.
standing for a bit, so we are now walking down places.
5 minutes go.
White monster, yeah.
Is it done?
Feeling for the white monster, yes. It's just fog night now. Now we are heading for a car, right? Still don't know where to head.
Very vague
but
situation. Is it recording? It's
yes, it's recording.
It's a vague situation because right now we're having problems with the car. We should have reached to the car like 15 minutes ago, but that's the problem.
আমরা আগেই আছি তো হ্যাঁ একটা hurried situation তো of course আছেই yeah we have to walk down this road man road see we have to find for 2 cars and yeah
A few moments later.
we are now at Peace Pagoda ওরা সব আগিয়ে গেছে আমি এখন নিচে আছি আমার ট্রাইপডটা আবার ভেঙে গেছে The clouds are really visible, you know. পকোড়া এই শান্তি স্তূপা থেকে চলে এসেছি এখন টি গার্ডেন্সে। তো আমরা এখন টি গার্ডেনের দিকে এগোচ্ছি। ভেরি বিউটিফুল প্লেস। একটু লম্বা ছিল, কার রাইড একটু লম্বা ছিল, বাট স্টিল ভেরি বিউটিফুল। এসব পাহাড় কেটে রাস্তা বানানো হয়েছে, সব সি কেটে রাস্তা বানানো। Look at the steep fall, man. Something. এখানে যারা মানে চা পাড়তে আছে তারাই মেনলি আসছে না। তো আমাদের ঘোরা হয়ে গেছে এখন টি গার্ডেন। এখন আমরা লাঞ্চ করতে যাবো। উইন 16 আনা বাঙালি ফর লাঞ্চ হিয়ার। What's up, guys? What's up, bros?
Did you start recording?
Yeah.
My usual question. Oh my god. Yeah, the tripods. The tripod is
Gone cooked. We have a side quest of roaming around.
Yeah, we have the free will. It's like a caged bird being freed.
So, what to do now?
I don't know. You're asking me as if I'm local.
What am I?
Both of us are non-local.
So, what do we do, man?
Outside it, yeah.
What do we do? Keep on us.
I don't know what a good walk.
So we are
Hotel, so-
back at Mall Road. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Our plan to now, right? I mean, just before starting this video, Shom reminded us of one thing. In the morning, we had planned that we were gonna get some white monsters. It's like a
Yeah.
treasure for us.
Either-
0 calories and perfection.
Either White Monster or Diet Coke.
Or Diet Coke. Yeah, Diet Coke.
There
I
was-
mean, somewhat
there was
it
Diet
is. Somewhat it is very natural to have Diet Coke, but White Monster is a rare sighting.
Yes.
That too in a common shop, not online. So we're gonna make full use of it. If we get 2, we're gonna get 2. That's 250 rupees gone, but we still have 2. It's fine for.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
For the trip, we're literally in Darjeeling.
Yeah. So yeah, we are heading up.
By the way, we got these cool caps,
Peaky
Australian,
Blinders,
yeah, Peaky Blinders coded caps. My original ideology was about Australian
Sir
cricket,
Don
but
Bradman.
same thing, yeah.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
আমরা এখন বেরিয়ে পড়েছি খাবারের খোঁজে। এখন 10টা বাজে লিটারালি। তো most of the places are closed now.
We're gambling, although we're not really
Gambling.
You know why? We're not gambling because the first option is goated and the second option is really good.
What's the first option?
Glenaries.
Second
And
option.
if we fail that, then it's lucky news.
Yeah.
There is no bad options.
The options are goated,
The
but the
place is
time
good,
is
food
very
is
good.
good, we are good, everything.
And we have to run by the way.
It's fine.
Let's go. নালে আগা
Literally run.
এই করতে করতেই যাবো
Literally closed down. To be fair, Sonali's veg tarka is not bad at the end of the day. Quite literally.
Like, ain't no way we were literally thinking for 2 minutes, should we go here? No way, I'd rather go to La Phoenix. Undoubted.
Hey, Domino's is still open.
It's still open.
Oh
Everything
wait,
is still open.
wait, it ain't focusing. Arey, why is it not focusing? Yes, so Domino's is still open. Glenery's. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We are cooked. Glenery's is closed.
KFC.
KFC is open.
But these are like, yeah, these are not expensive.
Ara?
Sure. তোরে তো লোক আছে like they are just eating. Like they leave, they close.
They're just arranging things.
Oh,
and they're
acha,
gone.
they.
The gate is closed, bro. The outside gate is
No,
closed.
but
Oh,
like,
আচ্ছা।
You can't enter
এখানে
it.
খেয়েছি like 11টা বেরিয়েছি।
I had a berry.
আচ্ছা,
Because we were already.
আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা,
Yeah, we were in hotel.
আচ্ছা.
Latest we have
Now it's like a, what is it called, detour.
Detour. We have options. We have options, but the camera ain't even focusing.
सोनाली फिट है अरे I was like something Zaini. If for example there was no food spot and we didn't find any spot open, me and your Didiya, we would be fine. But we have a responsibility for both of you. So my thing was like that you guys have to eat. Yeah, so but my thing was like whatever the hell.
Think about it.
No, at least if everything is closed, I thought if in case
by chance এখানে
these places are closed, at least you guys can eat something. মানে ওটা আমার রেসপন্সিবিলিটি মধ্যে পড়ে, ইউ গেটিং হোয়াট আই এম সেইং? তো আমি কম্প্রোমাইজ করে নেবো, চিকেন থালি খেয়ে নেবো, বাট অ্যাটলিস্ট ওরা কিছু তো খাবে, খালি পেটে থাকবে না। দ্যাট ওয়াজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট। বাট ওয়ান্স উই ফাউন্ড
obviously much better.
নাও ওয়ান্স উই ফাউন্ড দিস আই ওয়াজ লাইক
A few moments later.
It's currently 11:15. Empty. Quite literally empty, man. Darjeeling মেলে আছি. And then Slenderman appears. দাঁড়িয়ে আছে ওখানে।
Right now, Darjeeling only 2 things are open. One thing is open.
কি কি?
That is Shangri-La Club.
Okay.
That is the only thing which is open in all of these things. Maybe some Nukkar shops, if
Achha.
you're lucky. Everything else is closed. So everybody is in home, at home sleeping.
হ্যাঁ.
By 8, মোটামুটি